我不退后，从没想过要退后，不能真的见过太多的不红，不脆弱，不落，这红灯由我拯救，上场前不停步，继续走我的路。
This life ain't easy living in the city, army rules. I pray the Lord daily for my soul, protect my jewel. My daughter, holy water, I'm in heaven, pray for you. Remember all the skills I taught you, Daddy's here for you. You're on your own now, never bow the world's crew. The 5-city coalition, binding, standing out for truths. Resisting to the army and police, stop asking who. They took my soul, left me dead, please fight for truth. Dear Dad, I'm writing daily in my diaries, following your steps, applying your philosophies. My last chance, I'm gonna make it, can you see? Having faith, yes, believe, resisting when it's free. Nothing's coming free, you have to fight tonight, you see. Believe in this and never fail, I promise you. I will never stop no matter what.
I will take hold.